Looking to make learning fun and competitive? Introducing Classroom Challenge, the Google Sheets add-on that transforms your lessons into a Jeopardy-style game. It's perfect for teachers to create an interactive group activity with team or individual scoring. First, I'll show you how to use Classroom Challenge as an educator. Second, I'll walk you through how to create your own game. Third, I'll show you how to install it in Google Sheets, with a bonus offer at the end to help you get started quickly. Here's how it works. When a teacher starts a Classroom Challenge game with their class, everyone sees a game board with 5 categories, each containing 5 questions. Students or teams take turns selecting a category and a point value. If they answer correctly, the teacher can credit that student or team. The leaderboard automatically tracks scores, awarding gold, silver, and bronze medals to top performers. This adds an extra layer of competition as students compete for the top spots. The game flow is smooth and engaging, ensuring all your students have fun while learning. Creating your own Classroom Challenge Jeopardy-style game is quick and simple. First, open a new Google Sheet and launch Classroom Challenge from the Extensions menu. Follow these easy steps. For Step 1, click the Create button to generate the players and content sheets. In Step 2, enter player or team names in the Players sheet to track scores for your class. For Step 3, customize 25 questions across 5 categories in the Content sheet, including answers, hints, and point values. Your topics can cover any subject from math and science to language arts or history. Finally, for Step 4, click Generate Board. And just like that, within a few moments, the extension will generate your interactive game board, incorporating all your customized questions and students. The game is ready, making your lesson personalized, exciting, and competitive. Installing Classroom Challenge is a breeze. Just follow the link in the description to the Google Workspace Marketplace, click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, you'll find Classroom Challenge in the Extensions menu of Google Sheets, ready to use. And for a limited time, we're offering a free Classroom Challenge worksheet to help you get started right away. This fully functional sample is perfect for introducing your students to the game. The link is in the description. Just make a copy and get your students excited about learning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more free templates and classroom tools. Let's make learning fun with Classroom Challenge.